Once upon a time, a young girl with an indomitable spirit lived in post-World War II Frankfurt, Germany. Ravages of war obliterated outdoor play areas, yet idleness was taboo. Fibers and needles, threads and hooks were the resources she was given to stay busy indoors. During these young childhood years, Rita learned to crochet, knit, quilt, and embroider under the watchful eyes of her perfectionist mother and grandmother. Her one-of-a-kind Victorian layouts, christening ensembles, carriage covers, booties, sweaters, and bonnets are displayed inside her Heirloom Treasures Fiber Arts Gallery. Also displayed in the gallery is a ladies' line of fine accessories for individuals who seek one-of-a-kind items, including crocheted eyelash bow and Italian ribbon silk scarves, mohair wraps, hats, and many more exquisite pieces. Rita describes her artistry as classic European broomstick and hairpin techniques, Irish crochet, and vintage German thread patterns combined with her creative approach to preserving vintage patterns for tomorrow's heirloom treasures. Heirloom Treasures is sprouting greatness from skills Rita learned long ago in Germany. Now we invite you to browse the exquisite wearable art that is available in Rita's Heirloom Treasures Fiber Arts Gallery.